across the sky tonight. Sun cuts through like a blade of white. 3 wide, 5 deep, 15 long and lean. Coal stacked high like a death march machine. From deep inside a diesel roar, black smoke billows like a call to war. The river claws at the hose spite, but steel-born beasts don't fear the fight. Cutting the Ohio like a blade, downbound grind as skies fade. Ratchets locked and the toe won't bend, pushing hard through the storm's dead end. Brown water whispering secrets deep. This river wakes the beast we keep. Scream, towboat charging like a nightmare dream. 15 barges pulling at the chain, long black serpent in a world of rain. Engine thunder with a primal tone, every shove says leave us alone. Currents twist like they're set to kill, but iron hearts beat louder still. Storm-scarred sky and a coal-born load, downbound fury on a river road. Steel-jawed crew with a fire inside. This river's wrath is a badge of pride. Cutting the Ohio like a blade, downbound grind as skies fade. Ratchets locked and the toe won't bend, pushing hard through the storm's dead end. Brown water whispering secrets deep. This river wakes the beast we keep.